Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trades that we are currently in, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that we are interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end, because like I said, I'm going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can see, okay, Bitcoin has had a pullback in price, okay, but we here at Bit Trading have been profiting off of this. Why is that? Well, we are currently in a short position, okay, and prior to that, we were actually in a long position, okay, which we are still currently in, okay. So we took this long position from down here because we were seeing the bullish confirmations and bullish confluences to enter into that long, okay, and as you can see, price had a really nice push towards the upside, okay, and we did take some TPs along the way up, okay, and shortly after that, okay, we started to form this local range here, okay, and we got a failed auction of the range high right here, which was enough for us to enter into that short because we were actually seeing bearish indications like bearish open interest and bearish CVD in confluence with that failed auction as well. So that was enough for us to enter into that short position, and as you can see, that short position has yielded us some really nice profits, okay, and I gave both of these trades to my visionary members over on the visionary Discord, okay. As you can observe, scalp long on the fake out to the downside, okay, so this was the long position. Very quickly we took TP1 at 36%, moved the stop loss to entry, making that a risk-free trade, okay, and then that trade continued on and we took TP2 at 158%. So this was a very profitable long position for us, and straight after that, okay, we actually took a hedged short. So I said taking a hedged short. Now I showed the setup to my team, okay, and I told them why, okay, because we were seeing that failed auction of the new local range high with bearish CVD coming in, and the open interest was already looking bearish as well, okay. So that was enough for me to enter into that short position, okay. Very quickly, again, we took TP1 on the short at 71%, an amazing TP1 on that short position, and we moved the stop loss to entry, obviously to make that trade completely risk-free, okay, and that trade continued on to yield us some really nice profits, okay, and yeah, we took a TP2 yesterday at 191%. So this trade has yielded us some really nice profits, okay, and we have taken full advantage of that push towards the upside and then the dump that followed, okay. But what we want to know now is you know, what is going to happen within the price of Bitcoin, okay. What are the next levels that we can be trading, okay. And just quickly, you know, if you want access to that visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, and I will give all of my future trades away as well, as you can see they are very profitable, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here, and you can gain access to that visionary Discord. We also have the courses there as well, which you know, I'm teaching my strategies to you as well to help you guys actually learn how to you know, make profits like this. And yeah, we have a special discount on at the moment. Somewhere in the video there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to the visionary Discord and the courses as well. And yeah, you can cancel at any time, so of course, you know, it is risk-free. You can try it out. If you don't like it, you don't have to pay, but yeah, if you do like it, then of course, you know, there will be a subscription. But yeah, now we want to know what are the next levels that we are interested in trading, okay. And I was telling my team this morning in the daily market updates that I do for them every morning that, you know, we're actually forming a new local range right here, and we could be interested in trading this range, okay. I was saying, you know, range high could be a nice short for us, range low could be a nice long position, okay. Now yeah, we were looking at the price coming up to range high, but unfortunately we did front run that level ever so slightly. We were looking bearish coming into this, okay, and I was telling my team we are looking bearish coming into this, okay, but okay, we need to wait for this level to be tapped. We need to wait for range high to be tapped. Unfortunately, it was front run, so we could not enter into that short position, but that's fine, okay. We're still already in a short position, okay. So we are taking advantage of this pullback, okay. But from here, you know, I'm just remaining patient, okay, and waiting for my levels to be tapped, okay. I'm not too, you know, worried about entering into a trade right now because I'm in a long and I'm in a short, so I can take advantage of, you know, either the pump or the dump, okay. Whatever occurs in Bitcoin, I can take advantage of that because I'm in a long and I'm also in a short position, okay. But yeah, if price does come up here, okay, and we do see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence, then I will enter into a short position up here. This is a level of interest for me. So if we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, I will be entering into a short position. If we don't see it, okay, then what can we be looking for? We can be looking for a break towards the upside, okay, possibly getting a failed auction, okay. If we get the failed auction, we get accepted back in, then we can look to short that. But if we don't get the failed auction, then we're looking for higher prices, okay. But what we can see right now is Bitcoin is actually pulling back, okay, and yeah, if we do come to the range low, okay, down here, then what will I be interested in doing? Well, I'll be interested in looking for a long position. Of course, we have to see the bullish confirmation, the bullish confluence, and that bullish reaction, okay, before we can even think about entering into a long position, okay. But this is a level of interest for me. This is a level I'm looking to possibly enter into a long position, okay. But right now is not the time to be entering into a trade, okay. Where the price is right now is not the time to be entering into a trade, okay. We have to wait for our key levels, okay, and locally our key levels are the range high up here at 27,660, okay, and our second key level locally is 27,146, okay, at the range low, okay. So right now I'm remaining patient, I'm remaining calm, I'm waiting for one of those levels to be tapped, okay. If we don't see the bearish reaction or the bullish reaction, okay, then we're not going to enter into a trade, okay. We're either going to look for higher prices if we're testing the resistance up here, or we're going to be looking for lower prices if we're testing the support here, okay. Of course, if we don't see the reaction that we want to see to enter into that trade, okay. So locally, this is what I'm interested in trading, okay. But of course, you know, this is most likely going to break out at some point, okay. We're most likely going to see a breakout of this range at some point, okay. So then we want to zoom out, okay, and see what our external levels are, okay. And for that, we need to come to the 4 hour, okay. And the 4 hour is looking fairly similar to the 15 minute, okay? We are range bound, okay? We have range bound price action, okay? Let's just get rid of the 15 minute range right here, and we can see, you know, we have range high up here at 28,130 approximately, okay? And range low at 24,850, okay? So these are two levels that I'm very interested in trading. And in fact, here at Bit Trading, we have actually already shorted the range high up here. Remember, we got the failed auction. I was telling my team, you know, I'm entering into that short position. As you can see, over 191% in a profit, okay, as of right now. So we've made some really nice profits on this pullback here, okay. So now what am I expecting for the price of Bitcoin? Well, I'm actually expecting a continuation towards the downside. And why is that, okay? Well, because we formed this failed auction, which is very bearish, okay, and we've had that reaction, okay, I would be expecting at least range high to be tapped here. So 26,970 is a level of interest for me. You know, I'm looking for the price to come to that level. Now, if we use it as support, then great, okay, great. We can look for higher prices, you know, and possibly come up to the new high that we formed here at 28,630. From there, you know, we can reevaluate, is price looking bullish, okay, as in we're looking for higher prices such as 29,000, or is the price getting a bearish reaction off this level where we can then re-enter that short position, okay, and actually make some really nice profits off of that, okay. That is a possible scenario, but of course we don't want to try and predict price action. We just want to trade what the charts are telling us, okay, and that's what we're doing here. We're trading what the charts are telling us, okay. The charts were telling us it was looking bearish here, so what did we do? We entered into a short position, okay. So I am actually targeting value area high here. Now, if we get accepted back into value area high, then I will be looking for lower prices such as 26,000 at the POC, okay, maybe even value area low if we break below that, okay, 25,600, okay, and if we break below 25,600, okay, value area low, then I'm looking for range low down here at 24,850, okay, at that range low, okay. So for me, you know, I don't like to, you know, be really bullish or really bearish on the price of Bitcoin, okay. But I right now it is just looking more bearish than bullish, okay. And of course, we're taking advantage of this because we are in a short position, okay. So yeah, for me, you know, we have this level of interest up here that I'm interested in trading at 28,620 approximately, okay. That's a level of interest I'm looking in shorting, okay. But if we don't see that rise, okay, to this level, okay, then what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for lower prices. I'm looking for the range value area high at 26,970 approximately, okay. And from there, you know, we can reevaluate. Is price looking like it's going to bounce, or are we looking for lower prices? You know, and if lower prices come, that is perfectly fine because we are in a short position, okay. Remember, if you want access to this visionary Discord, links will be in the description description via bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. You know, we've been taking advantage of this pump towards the upside and this pullback because we have been in both a long and a short position. So yeah, we've been very, very profitable this week, and it is still only Wednesday, okay? Still only Wednesday. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next update. Thank you very much. Goodbye.